they can see what, you know, they can see what we got in here. This is just like, this could be like the beginning.
Santa baby, Santa baby, Santa baby, forgot to mention one little thing. Alright, I don't mean on the phone, Santa baby, to hurry down the chimney, hurry down the chimney, hurry down the chimney, hurry down the chimney. Hurry. Tonight.
Hi guys, so we are in Starbucks and I am actually going to be trying 3 holiday drinks. And we're going to get them vegan, okay? I'm sorry? Oh, I don't know what this is. Okay, so this one is, we got the drink. So this one is the caramel brulee. We got it with no whipped cream. We got no caramel brulee sauce because the caramel brulee sauce is dairy. So we put just regular caramel syrup in it, and then we did the toffee nut syrup as well with almond milk. So let's see how this drink tastes. I'm scared. I'm not really a coffee person, but it tastes really sweet. I did the toffee nut and the caramel together, so it made it a sweet blend. Okay, not bad. This is a good little, this is a good quick mix. The next one is the chestnut praline latte. This one we did no whipped cream, and we did the almond milk. So let's see what this is hitting for. Oh, this is good too. This is sweet. I feel like the sweeter you do it, the almond milk is complementing it. I'm not a fan of coffee, but I would take these two would definitely be, you know, good. And then I got the peppermint mocha. I didn't get it as a latte, but I got it cold. So I wanted to, you know, be different. So this is how it's looking. I don't think they can see that back there.
Just scan the cups out.
Ooh.
Is it good?
This is good cold. I recommend anybody, if you try peppermint mocha latte, definitely try it cold. I did almond milk. I didn't do the mocha sauce. And then I just did the shreddings on top. You gonna try some of this? Like a dash of peppermint.
Peppermint.
peppermint and chocolate, I just don't like that. That's why I never tried it. But it actually tastes good. I don't think it had set right with me if it was hot, but it'd probably been really nasty. It actually tastes pretty good. The 3 holiday drinks that I tried from Starbucks, and I made them a non-dairy edition. If you guys try any of these drinks, let me know. If there's any more drinks that are non-dairy for the holiday Starbucks drinks or Starbucks drinks in general, definitely let me know. Like I always say, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And we are over here vlogging. Happy Vlogmas!
This could be like the beginning